as a civil society, we believe in the rule of law. It is the humble submission of this representation. We really need to follow kung ano man ang magiging desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
O eto mga kadonatics, Jinky Luistro, ang demonyita ng Kongreso mga kadonatics. Nako, nag-iba na yung tono after sa 19 versus 5 na desisyon ng mga senadors. Eto mga kadonatics, sabi niya, well, wala na tayong magawa kasi we have to respect the Supreme Court. Pero may mga patutsada pa rin siya mga kadonatics. Eto mga kadonatics, pakinggan natin.
Well, actually, Peter, no, this is really what the separation of power principle and the check and balance principle mean, no? Ito yung pinatutungkulan ng isa sa mga fundamental principle ng isang democratic government. The principle of check and balance, may sariling kapangyarihan ang Congress, ang lower house vis-a-vis the upper house, in the same way na may sarili ring kapangyarihan ang Supreme Court, being the one with the sole power to interpret the laws. Lahat ng napanood natin since we filed the impeachment complaint on February 5 shows the respective power of the Congress, the House of Representatives, the Senate, and the Supreme Court. At yung kahapon, very enlightening actually yung exchange of arguments, most especially si Senator Tito Soto and Senator Marcoleta. But of course, pagaman we acknowledge the principle of separation of power, we acknowledge the principle of check and balances, no? We maintain our position in the House of Representatives. We followed the Constitution. We did not violate the one-year bar rule. However, at the end of the
Dalawa
day...
lang yan kasi mga kadonatics Sino yung papanigan natin? Yung Supreme Court talaga? Or yung ito, na napaka-bias talaga ngayon sa administrasyon mga kadonatics? Dalawa lang talaga yung choices natin. It's either maniniwala tayo sa mga demonyitang ganito or yung Supreme Court. Eto, nako, puro political lang ang nasa Kongreso, especially sa House of Representatives. Kaya nawala na yung dignidad nila. People are not trusting them anymore. Di ba?
We always acknowledge that the final arbiter in terms of the interpretation of laws, conflicting issues and positions is no less than the highest tribunal, and that is the Supreme Court.
See? Recognize pa pala niyo ang Supreme Court. Bakit dada ng dada pa kayo? Di ba?
And it is on this light as well na ang position namin ngayon, sana prior to their vote kahapon,
Sana
hinintay na lang ang resolution ng Supreme Court with respect to the motion for reconsideration. I humbly believe that the Supreme Court in several occasions can reverse itself, at ito naman ay na-highlight na rin ng mga senador na tumayo kahapon doon sa gallery.
Now, ngayon, gusto niya na lang mga kadonatics na sana man lang i-consider yung MOR or motion of reconsideration. Kasi talong-talo na talaga sila. Grabe to makapuna kay VP Sara Duterte noon mga kadonatics. Siya pa yung mismo ang rason kung bakit na hospital yung isa sa mga secretaries ata ni VP Sara Duterte. Siya yung dahilan mga kadonatics bakit nagka-hospital. Dahil the way siya magtanong. Grabe talaga. Pati piso mga kadonatics gusto niyang malaman kung saan napunta. Ngayon, nag-iba yung tono niya. Wala na. Kasi, andun na. Kasi mga kadonatics, ang Supreme Court na nagsalita, nakakahiya naman sa mambabatas na ngayon, gusto nilang diktahan yung Supreme Court na, dapat i-reverse yung decision na unconstitutional. Kasi hindi inline sa adhikain namin na mapatalsik si Inday Sara Duterte. Dapat i-reverse yun yan. Nag-demand mga kadonatics, nakakaalam mo mga sino, mga ugok. Sa tingin mo ba, mga kadonatics, mag-change pa yung perspective ng Supreme Court? There are like 15 of them, mga kadonatics, 15 na chief officers dyan sa Supreme Court, mga kadonatics. It was a majority decision na unconstitutional yung impeachment article. Do you think mali yung decision nila at i-reverse nila yung call nila? Well, I would not think, mga kadonatics, because that was already final.
Includes Senator Risa Ontiveros. And let us be reminded, that is the very reason kung bakit may remedy of appeal, kung bakit may remedy of motion for reconsideration. That is to give chance to the court, including the highest court, to revisit its decision and to see the possibility of modifying or even reversing itself. But at the end of the day, Peter, Rica, no, kung ano man ang magiging decision ng Supreme Court, with respect to the motion for reconsideration, as a civil society, we believe in the rule of law. It is the humble submission of this representation. We really need to follow kung ano man ang magiging desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
Pero
Ayun, mga kadonatics, nag-concede na si Dumunita. Wala nang magawa kasi nagdesisyon na yung Supreme Court. Tapos, nag-convene nga yung Senado. Nagdesisyon naman, mga kadonatics, against the impeachment case. Ayun, di ba? Majority ruling all the time. Dapat talaga ma-recognize yan nila, mga kadonatics. Hindi yung dahil ito yung gusto namin, dapat ito yung masunod. Ngayon, wala na siya, mga kadonatics. Nawala na yung pagkaangas niya magsalita ngayon. Nag-concede. Dapat sundin na yung Supreme Court. Dapat noon pa yan. Dapat hindi na kayo nag-file ng motion of reconsideration. For what? Akala nyo ba mali yung mga decision ng justices sa Supreme Court? Ewan ko ba, mababatas mo ito, mga kadonatics, attorney pa. Sa tingin niya siguro, mga kadonatics, mali yung first decision ng Supreme Court. There are like 15 of them, mga kadonatics, and I don't think magkamali sila. There are lots of things, mga kadonatics, to be considered before going out for a final decision. And that was the decision. Pero, gusto nila ipalabas na mali talaga sila. Mali yung Supreme Court. What? Well, anyway, mga kadonatics, pati si Raffy Tulfo na isang maangas din, wala nang magawa. Ang sabi niya dito, mga kadonatics, after sa hearing kahapon, Supreme Court talaga,
Not on that, sir.
dapat kailangan natin. At taas ang hukom yan
kataas-taas ang hukom yan eh.
Ano, sir, hindi na okay na sila, hindi na magsagawa ng trial?
Well, sabi ng Supreme Court, nagpapalabas ang decision na constitutional. So,
So, wala na siyang magawa, mga kadonatics. So, he has to say yes. Kasi, bibirahin siya ng mga followers niya, mga kadonatics, sa Raffy Tulfo action. Well, di ba? Sa huli, nanaig pa rin yung kabutihan, mga kadonatics. And of course, I do believe the majority of us supporting the Dutertes, and we are in the right place, mga kadonatics. We are only for the change, mga kadonatics, nothing else. We are not into politics talaga na, games of politics. No! We are only for the change and for the Filipinos and for the betterment of everybody. What do you think, mga kadonatics? Comment down below. I will read it all. Thank you so much and God bless you. Ingat palagi. Subscribe mo na, mga kadonatics. Bye-bye.